So this is how we get things done. This is how we generate a ton of leads. This is how we're able to get customers on autopilot. We're going to go into how we create follow-up text sequences. If you don't know by now, text message marketing is highly impactful, and you can get results almost instantly because it has a 98% open rate compared to email. Now, this is not to dissuade you from using email marketing. I highly suggest you use both, but for this example, we're focusing solely on text. Every business should either have a form, application, or a lead magnet they're offering to get inbound leads. I'm going to show you this on a system we have called LeadBreeze. I'm going to link that below. And I'm going to go through the steps to set up a text sequence that actually makes sense. The first step is to select a form. So let's say we have a lead qualification form. We can send outbound messaging with that form once they submit it. So once the form is submitted, then we go to the next action, which would be SMS. Here's where you would type your message. So ideally, if they filled out a form, you would of course thank them for filling them out and can't wait to talk soon. Something of that nature. So this is going to highly depend on your sales system. If you do form, text, and then you have someone do a phone call afterwards, cool. If not, and it's more of a, you want them to take action via the sequence that we're going to create here, then you can do that as well. But either way, having a form and then just one message does not cut it. People don't scroll social media. They don't scroll online with a credit card in their hand. So the goal is to make money. The goal is to grow the business. The goal is to make sales. Then guess what? You have to be following up. That's a non-negotiable. Let's say I'm going to do it for 24 hours, which means next day they'll get a follow-up message. And I'm going to put SMS. Now, this can be a call to action, which I can link them to a call, link them to my sales page, link them to a video I want them to watch. That highly depends on what your business is, but this is going to be your second message. Now, here's where it gets funky. Create a step where if they don't click the link, it goes to one message. If they do click the link, then it goes to a second message. To do that here, you need to click this plus button. And then instead of where it says wait for a time delay, you're going to scroll down and hit CRM events and then click where it says trigger link clicked. Select the link. So let's say if they don't click it within the first 5 minutes, you wanted a timeout. Now we're going to add this other plus button and create our conditional workflow. The conditional workflow is having them go to 2 different routes depending what action they took in your last text message. So we're going to say linked, clicked. So here we made our conditional flow. So here, if they click the link, they move down here. If they don't click the link in 5 minutes, then they get these set of text messages. So here is where I added, they click a link, they get a text message. Copy here, 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 here. Okay, so you see what I did down below? Let's zoom in. So as you can see, links clicked, they get this message. Then we wait a day, they get another message. They don't click, then they get this message, wait a day, get another message. The message is going to obviously depend on the link they click and what was inside of it. But again, this is just a brief way to really nurture your leads and not just send overall lead nurture and just send text on text to try to get them to do something. You can tailor it to their current experience. That's going to make you be more personable because now you understand exactly what they're doing on the back end. Imagine if I send a text claiming somebody saw a video when they really never clicked the link. Again, this is how you're going to level up that strategy to make it more real and conducive to the customer journey. So, hope you guys liked the video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.